Want to learn how to make something float in your videos? Let me show you. Hey friends, my name is Mandl, and in this video, I am going to teach you how you can make an object float in your videos using Chroma Key. We're going to use Wondershare FilmoraGo to help you create videos anywhere on the go. Let's get into it. In order to achieve this effect, I had somebody off screen wearing a green glove. This is important. But before you record anything, it is very important you get just a few seconds of nothing moving in this scene. I'll show you why this is important in a moment. Now let's bring this footage into FilmoraGo. Remember that moment with no movement? Scroll to a spot in that part of the video. Now make the video full screen and take a screenshot. Taking a screenshot is different on all phones, so do a quick search so you can learn how to take a screenshot on your phone. Now that you have that in your camera roll, let's trim down the video to just the part we want. Let's head over to Chroma Key. Use the color selector to find the green on the glove and adjust it until you can't see it. Anything Chroma Key is kind of tricky to get perfect, but keep trying. Have fun with it and try different things because the more you do it, the better you are going to be. Now that we've put the Chroma Key on our video, you can see there's a black cutout of where the green glove was, but we need to put something behind it. Let's head over to Canvas, then select background. This will bring you to your camera roll. Remember that screenshot we took earlier? Select that. It will import into the project behind the other video and fill in the hand that we just chroma keyed out. Now it's just a matter of making adjustments based on your footage. My lighting didn't match exactly, so I made the video a little bit brighter to try and get it as close as possible to the video in the background. Explore different settings and see what works for you. This really just depends on how your footage came out. Let's see how we did. It's definitely not perfect, but it's good enough for me. And the next time I try this, I'm going to use more lights. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, let us know in the comments what you would like to learn how to do in Wondershare FilmoraGo. See you next time.